Do you want a big booty? 10 foods to try. Pairing regular exercise with a healthy diet full of glute-growing foods is one of the most effective strategies to help maximize results. Certain foods may increase muscle growth, strength, and recovery to help you achieve the derriere of your dreams. Here are 10 foods that can help you get a bigger booty. Diet's role in tush size. If you're looking to enlarge your butt, making a few modifications to your diet is the first step. You should focus on growing your glutes, which are the muscles that make up your buttocks. In particular, dietary protein is important for building and maintaining muscle mass, especially after exercise. Other nutrients, such as carbs, healthy fats, and antioxidants, also promote muscle growth by fueling your cells, reducing exercise-induced inflammation, and enhancing recovery. 1. Salmon. Salmon is a great source of protein, packing 22 grams into a single 4-ounce (113-gram) serving. Fatty fish like salmon are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which provide numerous health benefits. Some research suggests that omega-3 fats reduce inflammation, which may expedite muscle recovery and growth. 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds not only boast a good amount of omega-3 fatty acids per serving but also high amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Furthermore, adding flax seeds to your diet is a great way to boost your protein intake. In fact, just 2 tablespoons 21 grams of flax seeds provide around 4 grams of plant-based protein. Increasing your protein intake is essential to building muscle for a bigger behind. 3. Eggs. Eggs are highly nutritious, providing plenty of selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and phosphorus. Each medium egg also supplies about 6 grams of protein, making this food an excellent addition to a high-protein diet. Additionally, leucine, an amino acid common in eggs, has been shown to stimulate muscle synthesis and reduce muscle protein breakdown, which may be especially beneficial for enhancing your bum size. 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a nutrient-rich seed that offers a whopping 8 grams of protein per 1/4 cup 45-gram dry serving. It also packs all 9 essential amino acids, which you must obtain from your diet because your body can't make them on its own. Plus, it's high in complex carbs, which can provide extra energy to fuel your workout. 5. Legumes. Legumes are a family of plants that include beans, lentils, peas, and peanuts. They're generally high in protein, which can maximize muscle synthesis and boost the growth of your glutes. For example, 1 cup 164 grams of cooked chickpeas boasts nearly 13 grams of protein, while 1 cup 198 grams of cooked lentils packs almost 18 grams. Legumes are likewise a good source of micronutrients like magnesium, which is involved in energy production and muscle contraction. 6. Brown rice. Brown rice provides the perfect balance of complex carbs and protein, with over 5 grams of protein per cooked cup 195 grams. What's more, protein powder made from this grain is a great choice for those who need an extra protein boost. In an 8-week study in 24 people, taking a brown rice protein supplement daily improved body composition and exercise performance. Brown rice is also high in branched-chain amino acids, which are broken down directly into your muscles for a quick source of energy. 7. Protein shakes. Protein shakes are a great choice for a healthy post-workout snack. Whey protein, a type of protein found in milk, has been shown to promote muscle growth and recovery after workouts. Enjoy it or other protein powders after your workouts by blending them with milk, fruits, and veggies to bump up your shake's butt-boosting benefits. 8. Avocados. In addition to this flavorful fruit supply of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, it's rich in vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Avocados are also high in antioxidants, including carotenoids like lutein, zeaxanthin, and cryptocanthin. Some research suggests that their antioxidants may reduce exercise-induced muscle damage, soreness, and inflammation to speed up recovery time. 9. Milk. Packing nearly 8 grams of protein into each cup 236 milliliters, milk is an excellent snack after hitting the gym. This ubiquitous beverage contains both slow and fast-digesting proteins that supply your muscles with a steady stream of amino acids after your workout. One small, 12-week study in 20 women found that drinking milk after resistance training enhanced muscle and strength gains, as well as fat loss. 10. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a delicious and nutritious snack option for a balanced, booty-building diet. Just 1 ounce 28 grams offers 8.5 grams of protein, alongside an array of healthy fats, fiber, manganese, iron, and phosphorus.